Hello! Now today we're going to be talking about buildings, as in different kinds of houses around the world. Now usually in the very cold Antarctica, people live in igloos, which is a house made out of ice. And usually in normal countries, they have apartment buildings, maybe for luxury apartments, normal apartments. And also there's also normal houses, maybe 1-story or 2-story with a front yard, a backyard. And also maybe people that live in the middle of nowhere live in underground houses, which is kind of like a house, but it's like a basement without a house. So it's all underground and it's all nice and safe inside. And also people live in cottages, which is like little tiny houses made out of wood, from igloos to apartment buildings to luxury apartments, normal houses around the world. So thank you.